So here we have the HogWorkz LED fork turn signals. Backed by a lifetime warranty, these high quality CNC machined turn signals feature a solid aluminum body with black powder coat finish, injection molded polycarbonate smoke lens, ultra bright LED daytime running lights, and amber turn signals. These lights will definitely clean up the front end of your bike, giving you a sleek and custom look without sacrificing brightness and safety. Alright, so in the box you have your right and your left turn signal, you have your instructions, your mounting hardware, and then you do have the amp connector with pins for 13 and older models. And then also, if you have a 13 and older model, you may require the WorkZ load balancer kit. This just prevents the turn signal hyperflash. So here you have the stock turn signal, and to remove this, you have 2 screws and they're a 3/16 hex bit. Just make sure you have a hold of your turn signal when you remove your screws. So to disconnect the turn signal, you have a connector right here. Just push down on that and it'll pop right off. So here I have the right turn signal. I'll go ahead and push this wire along the channel. I'll make my connection and I'll make sure that nothing is getting pinched when I mount it against the frame. This only goes on one way. You'll hear it click. I'll push it inside of here. I'll make sure I route this wire along the channel and then get everything lined up. Just make sure it's sitting flush against the frame. So that's it for the right side, and it's going to be the exact same thing for the left.